Hi, I'm Aaron, Director of Design here at Nearmap, and today I'm super excited to be talking to you about MapBrowser and the new user experience that we're releasing later this quarter. MapBrowser is a web-based application that allows you to explore, mark up and share high-resolution Nearmap aerial imagery and content. We know how important it is for you to have the maximum amount of content visible on screen when working, and in this release we're delivering just that for your mobile and desktop devices. In this video, I'll be walking you through the upcoming changes to MapBrowser and explaining exactly how to find and use your favorite tools, including the compass, toolbar, sidebar, and inspector. Let's start with a quick tour of the updated MapBrowser interface. The biggest change you'll notice is to the layout of the interface. You'll see that we've made the toolbars and navigation controls more compact, giving you more space to explore and mark up. We've introduced a new, smaller toolbar that gives you quick access to annotation and measurement tools. The compass has been updated with more intuitive controls for rotating your base map and finding the right cardinal direction. We've also moved some features to the sidebar, where you'll be able to access your projects, layers, export and download panels. And finally, we've split the inspector into two modules to maximize screen space. Editing functions are now closer to the feature that is being edited, while measurement and note functions remain in the top right corner. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the improvements we've made to how you navigate in MapBrowser. Start by searching for an area of interest. You can zoom in and out using the controls to the right. To rotate the map by 90 degrees, try the new rotate button, or for even more control, click and hold to rotate the compass. We also have a range of keyboard shortcuts to help navigate, including holding Alt on a PC or the Option key on a Mac and dragging. Click the compass at any time to return to north. You can change the base map or survey dates using the controls at the bottom. In Panorama, you have the additional controls to select a cardinal direction. The toolbar gives you quick access to markers, snapshots, text annotations, lines, polygons, rectangles, circles, plus height and width tools if you have access to oblique imagery on your subscription. To measure using the line tool, simply select and draw. The letters shown when hovering indicate the keyboard shortcut allocated for that tool. Once you have finished your markup, you can change the color or display options like so. You can also change the units and specify a measurement using the inspector panel. As mentioned earlier, projects, layers, exports, and downloads are all accessible via the sidebar. The functionality of these features hasn't changed. Lastly, we have the help and support and account menu items. This is where you will find quick access to the Knowledge Hub, keyboard shortcuts, contact and feedback, plus My Account and sign out options. And that's it. I hope you are as excited as we are about the new and improved MapBrowser experience. For further information, please speak to one of the team.